Today we'll discuss class 9 exercise 4.5. Okay, here this is a question. This question 3p square minus 3pq minus 18q square. Okay, in this you can check 3, we can take it as common. So 3 will take as a common. So this will come p square minus pq minus 6q square. Why 6? 6 3s are 18, no? That's it. So again 3 of in this can be written as p square 3 6, this 6 can be written as 3 2s are 6. Okay, so again it is minus 6, so here it is minus, then if you add or subtract you have to get it minus 1. So 3 2s are 6, plus into minus is minus, again 3 minus 3 minus 2 is 1, and the bigger number sign is minus. Okay, so now this can be written as minus 3 pq and then plus 2pq, then minus 6q whole square. Okay, again 3 will take out common, right? Then p we will take as a common, again p of minus 3q, because p into q is 3pq, then whatever we are getting here same thing, right? 3 minus q, again here you will get it 2. 2q you can take it as a common. Okay, so 2q into p will come 2pq, and then 3 2s are 6. Here if you place it plus, okay, now which is common? Already 3 is there. Then p minus 3q, and then which is left out? P plus 2q. Okay, this is our numerator, and this is numerator. Now we'll find the denominator. Okay, so our denominator is p square plus 3pq minus 10q square. Okay, here also 10. So 10, if you multiply you have to get it 10, then add or subtract you have to get it 3. So when you will get 5 2s are, so if you place it here minus and then here it is plus. So let's see how to write this one. P square plus 5pq, then minus 2pq, then minus 10q square. Correct? So this will take out common. So we'll take p as a common. Then p plus 5q, and then here also you should write whatever you are getting, no, that will write, and then here we'll put it 2. 2 into, here also we can take q as common. Right? So 2pq, again here if you place it minus, so plus into minus will come minus. So what is p plus 5q, and then p minus 2q. Okay, this is denominator. This is denominator after factorizing. Denominator after factorizing. Now we will divide numerator and denominator. Okay, so what is our numerator? 3 of p minus 3q plus 2q divided by p plus 5q, p minus 2q. Anything shall be cancelled? No. So no common factor. Therefore, there is no common factor. Now we'll discuss second sum. First we'll take a numerator. First we will take numerator. So numerator is n cube minus 3n square m plus 3nm square minus m cube. This one looks like a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b whole cube. Okay, So here what is A? A is nothing but n. What is B? M. So whole cube. So this is our numerator. Now we will go with the denominator. So denominator, see denominator, this all will be divisible by 5. So shall we take 5 as common? Otherwise you can go with this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. Okay. So factorize also we can do, but here directly you can simplify with the formula. That is, this one looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square. Here what is a? A is 5m minus 5n whole square. Okay, and this 5 is common, right? So you can take 5 as a common, then m minus n whole square. Okay, already we know numerator divided by denominator, right? So n minus m whole cube divided by 5 of m minus n whole square. And in your small class you learned this formula, a power m divided by a power n, which is equals to a power n minus n. You learned this, right? That only we are going to implement here. And here you just see m minus n and then n minus n. So we can take minus as a common. Okay, we'll take minus as a common. So this can be written as, so if you take minus as common, this can be written as n minus of m minus n. So if you multiply with this, yeah, minus m into m, and then minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so we can write like this, divided by 5 of m minus n whole square. So already we said, right, here it is a power 3, then a power 2. So this part and this will be cancelled. So what is left out? Minus m minus n divided by 5 is the answer. Now let's see the third sum. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, so let's see how to write this one. So we can write it like a w plus b is minus v plus c is x. Okay, then what is a square? So w square plus what is our b? Minus v square plus x square minus what is our a? A is nothing but w into minus v of minus what is our b is minus v of x, then minus what is c? C is nothing but x into what is a is w. Okay, so now we'll simplify this. So w plus into minus will come minus b plus x. Okay, and then if we simplify this, what will be the answer? So w square plus v square plus x square, then minus into minus will become plus wv, again minus into minus will become plus vx, then minus xw. Okay, and this is our numerator. Now we'll find it for denominator. Okay, now we'll take denominator. This is numerator. This is numerator. So okay, next we will go with the denominator. Okay, now see the denominator is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus, actually here you can observe in previous videos also I told, here also minus and here also minus. So we can write it this one as 2ab minus 2bc then plus 2ac, which is equals to a minus b plus c whole square. Okay, here this is our question that w square plus v square plus x square minus 2v x plus 2w dx. Okay, so let's see this one how we will simplify. So this is our a square plus minus v square plus x square plus 2 into w into minus, so this is v. Okay, then plus 2 into v is minus v into x, this is our b, plus 2 into w into x. Okay, now this one we can written as w minus v plus x whole square, correct? So now we'll write what is our numerator we got. So numerator we got it as v minus x plus x, then w square plus v square plus x square plus e vx minus, this is our numerator, right? So numerator divided by our denominator is v minus x plus x whole square. So this square and this will be cancelled. Yes, so what is left out? So w square plus v square plus x square minus plus vx minus w, actually here it is minus, divided by the denominator.